In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the color wheel back in Krita. So by the color wheel, I mean this thing over here, the color wheel in the top right. So by mistake, you may have like hidden it or click this X button to actually remove it, and now you don't know how to get it back. So to get it back, there's two ways to do this. The first one is to go to up top where it says Window, hover over Workspace, and click on Default, and that's going to enable your default workspace. And again, you'll be able to see this advanced color selector, which essentially is the color wheel. Okay, that's the first way. But if you don't want to do that because you have like a custom layout or workspace, you can do it by going to over here where it says Settings, and inside Settings you can see Dockers. Now inside Dockers there's a bunch of different things, and up at the very top you can see Advanced Color Selector. You want to check this, and there we go, you can click on it, and now you have it back. Here's your color wheel. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.